Hi everybody, it's Fred again. Since that video loaded up pretty quick, I figured I'd get one out from the other, put a little more up of the storm. It's about 10 o'clock at night now, and I'll give you a little view of what's going out here. I'm going to try to get some video of the TV coverage too. You probably can't see anything. It's probably pretty bad. It's gotten pretty bad. They said it was going to turn into a blizzard, and it basically has. And just to let you know, the roads are officially closed in the state of Massachusetts and we're under a state of emergency. And I think I will try to give you a little. I'm going to try to videotape some stuff off the TV for you. So I'll get back to you soon. You guys take care.